Welcome back to our series on moving from America to Spain with SDC International Shipping. One of the reasons successful relocations feel smooth is because they follow a proven process. At SDC, we approach corporate relocation in 5 key stages. First, planning. This is where timelines, employee needs, relocation policies, and expectations are established. Second, documentation. We're talking about visa applications, residency paperwork, customs form, supporting documents. These all need to be organized properly. Third, packing and shipping. Professional packing protects the employee's belongings, while international transportation is coordinated. Fourth, comes custom clearance and final delivery in Spain. This is often where experience matters most because custom requirements can be very specific. And then finally, settling in, opening bank accounts, understanding local systems, helping employees adapt to their new environment. When each stage is managed carefully, employees can focus on their new opportunity instead of worrying about the logistics. That's exactly what SDC International Shipping helps companies accomplish every day. If you're planning an employee relocation to Spain, visit our website movertospain.com or call 844-651-7050 to speak with one of our relocation specialists today.